Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete repost on TikTok. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok app and then go to your profile page. Now from your profile page, you can see your videos. But we will tap on this icon, repost icon. Right here, you can see the videos that you repost. Now tap on the video that you want to delete. For example, this one. So now what I am going to do is to press the screen right here. You will then see these options. Save video, share with, or remove repost. Just tap on remove repost to delete this video. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.